Massive news today that Canva has bought Affinity Photo. They've bought Serif, the company that own Affinity Photo, Affinity Publisher, and Affinity Designer. Canva is a brilliant place to go to if you want to make social media posts. If you want templates, you can do YouTube thumbnails. You can do so much. They're moving into AI, they're moving into video work. You can do so much through the Canva online portal on their website. And now by acquiring Affinity Photo and Designer and Publisher, it looks as if they're trying to bridge the gap between their online platform and a more professional toolkit. In short, Adobe, they're coming after you. Canva is coming after you. And a joke that they're coming after Adobe, but clearly with this move, they are coming after Adobe, although their online platform is very impressive and it keeps getting better week on week, month on month. But by buying Serif, they're clearly coming after the professional illustrator, graphic designer, and who knows what's next. As far as Affinity Photo and Affinity Designer and Publisher is concerned, I think deep down, if you use these products, you always knew at some stage Serif was going to be bought over. Adobe are absolutely massive and they're the industry standard, but Serif, they're doing some amazing work. As you well know, I love their software. I've made over 150 video tutorials on Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad, and I think that app alone is absolutely fantastic. And I think at some stage, another company was always going to come and buy them out. And what's that mean for you? What's that mean for me as Affinity users? One of the reasons why we love Affinity Photo and Designer and Publisher is because it's not subscription based. It's a one-off payment of their products, which we can keep forever, not like Adobe, which is subscription. Canva's subscription, and straight away, a lot of people's concerned that in time, Affinity Photo will move to a subscription-based service. And to be honest, that's my fear. That's 100% correct. I think in time, Affinity Photo and Designer and Publisher will also become subscription-based. Adobe's doing it, Canva's doing it. Now that Canva owns Affinity Photo, it doesn't make sense just to have it a separate product. Surely it's going to come under their umbrella of Canva, and they're going to integrate them, which is very exciting, but it will probably come at a cost. There's a few FAQs on the Affinity website about what this means, and at the minute, they're not changing their pricing structure. If you buy any of their software, it's not subscription based, it's a one-off payment. They have already stated they've got lots and lots of updates coming. There's a 2.5 coming out in Affinity Photo Designer and Publisher. All that's coming out soon. That's very exciting to see the new updates. But I would guess that in time, they will move to a subscription service. And judging by their YouTube comments and Facebook comments and Twitter comments, I am not the only one with that fear. But it's massive news. Canva has bought Affinity Photo. Serif is a UK company that hire around 90 people. Thankfully, no one's being put out of work. They're going to keep every employee. Canva is an Australian-based company, and it's going to be very interesting to see what the future holds for Canva and Affinity Photo. And although my channel is moving away from Affinity Photo and concentrating more on AI work, which I'm very excited about, I still use Affinity Photo, I still use Affinity Designer, I still use Affinity Publisher, I still love the tools, so I've got a vested interest in this just to see what happens. And on that note, I've got some exciting news that all my online courses are now 70% off again. So if you missed the 70% off the first time, I'm bundling it all up again, 70% off all my online training. I believe this is the very best online training for Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad. I have got some amazing feedback on my courses. They were so much fun to make, over 12 hours in total of video content. So if that interests you, click in the link in the description where you will get 70% off my online courses, and I think you'll be blown away with what you can achieve with Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad. So let me know in the comments below, have I missed anything? What's your thoughts? Is it reason to be optimistic? Is it reason to be a little bit apprehensive? It's big news for Canva, it's big news for Affinity. What's that mean for us? I suppose the future will tell. The CEO of Serif has told us there's going to be more announcements coming in the next week or two to clarify more information. So I suppose until then, we'll have to wait and see. And as always, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.